Hello, Jay Weaver with Jay's Software. Here to do the training for Genius Messenger CRM. In your thank you page and also the email you receive to me, you'll get a link to the Chrome store. Click to add to Chrome just to add your extension. Once you add your extension, it will come up here. Click on the puzzle piece and scroll down to find Genius Messenger and click the little pin button. That will pin it up here to the top. Once you get it, obviously you'll have to log in with the email you signed up with and the default password that will be sent to you. If you did not receive the email or have it on the thank you page with a default password, you can click here, put in your email address. It will email you another password. Also, if there's anything you have, you can click the support button here. This will take you to Ed's support page. This is Ed Akers here. This is his brainchild for the software. I was Ed's first partner when he called me, when he had this idea to come up with this software and wanted to know if I was interested. I jumped at the chance. I said this was I just loved his whole thought process and what he wanted to do with this and how he wanted to take this software and just everything he had and all the ideas. It was just awesome. So anyway, so once you get here, you will put in your email, and you'll be given a default password. I've already changed mine. You can log in. Now, obviously you won't have all the labels up here like I've got mine. But you want to click here, update the password, put in the default password and put in a new password and click update. That will update you update the password. You want to do that first. Okay, and then we will discuss what we can do with all the other features that this software has. Thank you very much, and we look forward to this training.